Got a Glock 32 today. We're going to be doing the slide. We're going to do some controls, 2 base plates, and this one is going in gun candy. It's going to be a black base with a gold pearl over the top. So a little different. Process is a little different. This slide's been soaked already overnight in acetone. We're going to strip it and we're going to degas it and begin the process. I'll walk you through most of it except for some of the top secret stuff we do in between the base coat and the pearl coat and the clear, just to promote adhesion to make it a lot more durable. And we'll show you some of the stuff involved, and then we'll do some final photos at the end of the video. Thanks guys, stay tuned. Here's our Glock 32 degassed and cleaned up really nice. We didn't have to go back and do anything else. This part's ready to spray. So this one's going to go the gun candy. So we're going to do the black base first in Cerakote Elite. And there's our small parts, base plates, slide. Let's rock and roll. Back with our Glock 32. This is the second stage, gun candy going over the black. We've prepped it again, taped off our areas that we don't want color on, and then we're going to put one thin coat on, see what we got with the mixture. If we need to add a little bit more of the pearl into the clear, we will. So we'll take it slow, do one coat, see what happens. And in case you're wondering, we're using the MC160. This is a high gloss ceramic clear, and this goes pretty good with gun candy. So just keep in mind, thin coats, thin to win. Okay, there's 3 coats, we're done. That's what we got. So we'll get her all together and take a picture, do a final layout once we get it all put together. So that's it. Alright, here's our Glock 32 getting ready for reassembly. Just got to do a high polish on the pins, put it back together, and we'll get some photos on the final. That's it. Alright guys, here we go. This is the finished product, all back together. Got the polished barrel, polished pins, gun candy. That's it. Thanks for watching.